Okay, absolutely the cutest boots. They're absolutely adorable. They're a faux suede. They're the perfect color. Okay, perfect neutral for winter. I love, they're like a just above the ankle cut. They have a kitten heel. They are very comfortable to walk in. I've already put them on. They have a cushioned footbed. I'm a true to size 8, and I do have a wide foot. These fit me phenomenally. Highly, highly, highly recommend. Very nice shoe.
Let it rain. Let me talk to you. Come on.
Friday after 5, I got here just in time. Went ahead and with a line before I went.